Welcome to my project ideas. This is an ongoing series on ChatGPT projects. In this particular video, we'll be creating a browser using ChatGPT. So there are free prerequisite that you need to have ChatGPT access. So for that, you need to visit ChatGPT portal, just log in via Gmail ID, and then you need an IDE to write the code. You can even write a code in Notepad, Notepad++, or any other IDE. So let's jump to ChatGPT. So I will use Python to create a browser. So I will just ask ChatGPT to create a web browser using Python, and we'll wait for its response. So it is suggesting in its theory that there is a library called PyQt, which is a very popular Python library that is used to build a browser. And for that, they are writing some codes. So guys, I don't know how exactly Python works, what exactly we need to do for that. So once it is done with writing codes, we'll ask to understand the requirements of installation. So as of now, I have installed Python in my laptop. I have also configured the environmental variable so that my command prompt finds the latest version of Python. Fine. So they are done with writing the code. What all installation I need for the above program to run? So I need to ask it, right? Okay, so it is asking me to install PyQt 5, and okay. So from these entire sort of statements, I can find only one relevant thing. So I will just open up my CMD, write this thing, pip install PyQt 5. Great. So now I have installed something, PyQt 5 installed. So I can copy the entire code and save it somewhere, right? So let me go on desktop, ChatGPT app, go to this browser. This file I've already created earlier. I will open up the Notepad++. Just paste the entire things. Looks fine. So the code is ready now. If I double click, nothing happened. So now I need to ask how to run the above file. .py extension is saved. Let's call it browser first so that we can just copy their commands, the right spelling. And then it is saying that open the terminal command. So for that, I need to just write here CMD. It will open up, and then run the command python browser py. So I got an error. So I'll just ask this thing. I got an error. Fine. So I will just go here and install this engine. So I'm still typing something. Okay, so it is installed. So we'll try to run the file once again. Yeah, something opened up. So a browser that looks awesome. So if I try to search my website, go coding org, I'm here. I can also go directly, but it doesn't have front back option. Can I just open from here my project ideas.com? Yeah, it opened up. That's awesome. But we do need to have back button also, front button, something like that to navigate. So I will just ask add home button and back button in the above code for browser. Let's see if it can add. So we'll just open up the program so that I can cross check what it is suggesting and what all we have written. Okay, so import system, we have already that. PT core URL, we have already that. Then it has some widget that we also queue application, QLAN, queue push button, layout is there, and it says Winjam. Okay, so nothing new is written in this aspect. So if you see, it has added something here. Apart from go, it has home, back. So actually it has written the entire code once again. So we can just copy and paste once again. We'll see. So it's awesome, right? So whatever you're thinking, you can ask ChatGPT. It will give you a code. If the code doesn't work, you can ask the issues that you are facing in the code. If you get some new ideas, okay, I need to add a tab, I need to add a button, need a new layout. Everything you can ask directly in the chat itself, and it will create something for you. So we'll just cross check this piece of code. I've saved it. I will have to exit this. I will just close this bar. Okay, so I'm out. I will rerun the program. So I tried rerunning the py file, but it is not working now. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just control Z, and I can see that it has something called executable, and that is missing here. For that, what I can do is like I can just copy section of code, this, and yeah, I will just delete this part. Finally, we have something. So I will just try to open up a website, and we can click on back. We can click on home. Yeah, so we are done. We have created our private browser with a back option, with a home option, exactly like Chrome, but it is something very private. No one is tracing us. No back VPN is running without our approval. So yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. We'll meet in another project and work on something new. Thank you. Thanks a lot.